Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Bay St. Louis House with Boat Dock on Breath Bayou. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Bay St. Louis House with Boat Dock on Breath Bayou in Shoreline Park has accommodations with free Wi-Fi, 10 miles from Diamondhead Country Club, 19 miles from Westside Park and Splash Pad and 20 miles from Port of Gulfport. This vacation home is 28 miles from Beauvoir and 28 miles from Broadwater Marina. With 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this vacation home is equipped with a flat-screen TV with cable channels and DVD player. The vacation home also comes with a well-equipped kitchen with a dishwasher, a microwave and a fridge, as well as a hairdryer. Bert Jones Yacht Harbor is 20 miles from the vacation home, while Gulf Islands Waterpark is 25 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Stennis International Airport, 12 miles from Bay St. Louis House with Boat Dock on Breath Bayou. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.